Come on, this side.
I can see him perfect.
What is he doing? Trying to get some pop.
What are you doing, Lucky?
I'm just trying to get some pop, Dad.
Stand it up, Andrew.
Stand it up, Andrew, and see what he does.
Oh, yeah.
Push it right against that. I had some pop, guys.
Get the pop now, Lucky. Knock down the pop. Knock down the pop, Lucky.
Oh, yeah.
Knock down the pop. Knock down the pop, Lucky. That's my birdie.
Fix the can.
Fix the can, Andrew.
Huh?
Fix the can again.
Put it up on top of the glasses.
Like this?
No, the way he had it before, laying down on top of the glasses.
Oh, like this?
Yeah. Just make sure he doesn't cut himself.
Check it off, Lucky. Check it off.
He's getting mad at it.
Yeah.
I'll get that pop one way or another.
He's pretty strong for his new age.
Yeah.
Gonna go get Jay?
I said cute.
He won't listen to me. He never does.
Okay, Lucky, that's enough. You might cut yourself.
Should I take it away?
Yeah, take it away. I almost had it. No, he's gonna probably go for that one.
Yeah, or this one.
Push that one closer to him. See
Which
he
one?
does. The other pop there, put it right against the glass case. No, no, the other one.
This one?
Yeah.
Get it, Lucky.
But that one doesn't taste good.
Wait.
It's NW, Lucky, your favorite. He's so cute.
Okay, that's enough.